If you're seeing a Figma internal error during import, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through a few simple fixes that can help you get the file imported successfully. This is a common issue when a file is too large, when the app or browser is having a temporary problem, or when your network is blocking the connection. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to troubleshoot it step by step. If this video helps, please hit like and subscribe for more quick Figma tips and software tutorials. Let's jump in. First, check the size of your .fig file. If your file is over 2 GB, Figma may struggle to import it properly. In that case, the best solution is to split the content into smaller pieces before trying again. If you created the file from a large project, try separating pages, components, or sections so the import process has less data to handle at once. Smaller files are usually much easier for Figma to process, and this alone can solve the internal error. Next, switch platforms. If you're currently using the Figma desktop app, try opening Figma in a web browser and logging in there instead. If you're already in the browser, switch over to the desktop app. Sometimes the issue is isolated to one platform, and simply changing where you import from can get everything working again. This is a really useful step because it helps you rule out whether the problem is with the app itself or with your current browser session. After that, clear your app cache. Cached data can build up over time and cause strange loading or import issues. If you're using the desktop app, go into the app settings or clear the local cache if your version allows it. If you're using the browser, clear the browser cache and temporary files, then restart the browser and try the import again. This can free up temporary storage memory and remove any corrupted data that might be interfering with the process. It's a quick fix, but it often makes a big difference. Now let's look at your network. If the error still appears, switch to a stable network or try a mobile hotspot. Sometimes a local firewall, proxy, or restricted connection can block the communication Figma needs on port 443. If you're on office Wi-Fi, school Wi-Fi, or any managed network, that could be the reason the import is failing. Changing networks helps you rule that out quickly. Once you're on a different connection, try the import one more time and see if the file goes through normally. In many cases, one of these 4 fixes will solve the internal error right away. Start with file size, then switch platforms, clear the cache, and finally change the network. That simple sequence will help you narrow down the cause without wasting time. If the problem continues after that, you may need to re-export the file or inspect whether the original .fig file was damaged during creation or transfer. But for most users, these steps are enough to get past the import issue. If this tutorial helped you fix the Figma internal error during import, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more Figma troubleshooting guides, design tips, and software how-tos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.